Thank you, Mr. Chair. So, I know there's a huge difference between the OSHA rule and the CMS rule, but at least one federal judge has saw the potential of the problem with the OSHA rule, and so therefore he implemented a stay until he can determine whether it violates constitutional rights. But it's about constitutional rights, isn't it?
So, Representative Payton, I'm going to try to address your question. If I'm off base, I'll be happy to correct you. There is a distinction to be drawn between the OSHA rule that we have received the injunction in the Fifth Circuit and the CMS rule. The CMS rule is a little more complicated because there is precedent in the courts, long-standing precedent, that federal dollars going to states, the feds can attach conditions or strings to receiving that money. This dates back to...
So if I could interrupt for this point in time, what I would like you to weigh in on is if this is about a person's individual rights to take a vaccine or not take a vaccine, and whether they can be forced to by their employer. If that's what it's about, does the fact that they would work for a car lot versus the fact that they work for a university or a hospital change their constitutional rights?
So Representative, there is a distinction, and I think the last time I addressed the committee on this topic, I talked a little bit about it. We're talking the difference between a state actor in UAMS versus a
sorry, folks, I had to be moved and stuff.
A private employer is a different animal. It's more of a contract between the employee and the employer for employment. A state actor is potentially whenever they enforce a mandate or a condition of employment, there could be an argument that it is a state action being taken. There is also a Supreme Court precedent dating back to a 1905 decision dealing with the smallpox vaccination that seems to suggest that that sort of mandate is proper, or at least the court has upheld it in the past, and that is part of what we're addressing in our litigation firm.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
You lose your constitutional rights if you work for
Members, I would also remind everyone that there is
Government
litigation pending, and the amount of information that can be given is limited, and therefore the Attorney General's office is not avoiding your questions and not avoiding answering your questions. They are taking care of their job today. With that, Senator Hammer, you are recognized for questions from the Attorney General's office.